Alright, new vlog, new day. Heading out to a 350Z meet over here in Florida. It's called CFCZ or CFZC. Well, let's head out. So this is the first time I'm ever going to one of these meets, but they've been having these meets for a minute now. I actually have a chance to go, and I have two other boys with a 350Z that I'm gonna meet up at 7-Eleven, and then we're gonna head out together. Are we gonna race? Maybe. Just maybe. Oh, I see you. I see you. Yeah, a little drift skid over there. You feeling himself? We got Jeremy Burton with his stand style 350. It kind of looks actually nice. I like it. And then we got Sam in the back. That's dope. Yo, meetup is real. 350Z gang all day.
Six, five, four, three, two, one.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Please press the button and take the parking ticket. Please take the parking ticket. Please enter following the guidance.
We finally got here. There's no one outside. They're actually eating at Hooters already, but here's a lineup for right now. That's just badass. That Porsche is badass.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Fishbowl.
Is it gonna sound like a fishbowl?
I don't know.
Think so?
I give it a big.
So we're all crammed in like a bunch of sardines.
Oh, seriously, vlogging.
Hi! Hello! Hi! I'm famous now!
Your weight limit to this?
Made me more famous than me.
Instagram followers. That felt
I need the
I was scared. It was like shaking like this. I'm like, oh fuck. We're never gonna get out of it.
Nobody threw up the
it out. We exceeded that 2,500 pounds.
I weigh like a 10,000 pound guy, so.
Baby.
Whose gold car is that? It's pretty nice. I like it. I like it. I need to get one of those lights. What? What?
Change colors?
What?
Oh my gosh. All right. Feet on ground over here. Right? Bring it back to 2000.
That's dope.
We have to get the techno going at the same time.
That's dope. Would I be biting TJ Hunt if I ended up doing my vlogs on top of a parking lot? Maybe. That's a maybe. But this is a sick ass spot. This is where the Z meets at, so might as well.
Okay, I'm getting out.
That's the fucking bomb is. Lean all on the square. That's the fucking rum is.